In the digital world of computer communications, imagine a well-organized system where a central hub orchestrates the flow of data and services. This is the essence of a client-server network, a network architecture that powers businesses, educational institutions, and online services by connecting clients and servers in a seamless, efficient manner. The core players of client-server networks. First one, the mighty server. Picture the server as the command center of the network, a powerful computer designed to manage resources and deliver services. Equipped with specialized software, it functions as a database server, file server, web server, or application server. Its tasks include: first one, storing and processing data. Second one, managing security protocols. Third one, controlling network operations. Next, the eager client. Clients are the devices you use every day. Personal computers, smartphones, or tablets that rely on servers for information. They run client-side applications or web browsers, sending requests to servers and receiving data or services in return. Next, the connection bridge, network infrastructure. Think of network infrastructure as the digital highway connecting clients and servers. It includes physical components like network cables, routers, and switches, as well as protocols like TCP/IP that ensure smooth communication. How client-server networks work? The magic of client-server communication lies in the request-response model. The client initiates contact by sending a service request. The server processes the request and sends back the requested data or action. With centralized management, servers oversee user access, allocate resources, and maintain network security. Clients depend on the server for continuous data availability and service delivery. Why client-server networks shine? First one, centralized resources. Data and applications are stored in one place, reducing redundancy and ensuring consistency. Second one, ease of management. System administrators can handle updates, backups, and security from a central control point. Third one, scalability. Servers can expand to meet growing network demands. Fourth one, data security. Centralized servers implement advanced security protocols to protect sensitive information. Fifth one, data backup and recovery. Automatic backups reduce the risk of data loss due to hardware failures. Challenges in client-server networks. First one, cost. High setup and maintenance expenses due to servers and network infrastructure. Second one, server dependency. If the central server fails, the entire network may go down. Third one, maintenance needs. Skilled IT professionals are essential for smooth operation. Fourth one, network traffic. Heavy client requests can create bottlenecks, slowing down performance. Where client-server networks thrive? Business and enterprise. Centralized management of company data, emails, and file sharing. Educational institutions. Online learning platforms and research databases. Web services. Websites, cloud storage, and online applications. E-commerce platforms, online stores, and payment gateways. Banking and finance, secure online banking and financial services. Now we can compare client-server versus peer-to-peer networks. Looking to the architecture aspect, client-server network is centralized, whereas peer-to-peer network is decentralized. Resource management. Client-server network is managed by the server, whereas peer-to-peer network is managed by individual peers. Data storage. Central server for client-server network, where distributed across devices for peer-to-peer network. Scalability. Highly scalable for client-server network, whereas limited scalability for P2P network. Failure impact. Affects all if server fails for client-server network. For peer-to-peer network, minimal impact if one peer fails. Moving to security, centralized and stronger for client-server network, whereas less secure due to direct sharing in peer-to-peer network. The final word. Client-server networks are the backbone of modern digital communication. Their centralized structure, scalability, and robust security make them essential for businesses, educational institutions, and online service providers. However, they require proper investment, skilled maintenance, and a solid infrastructure to operate efficiently and reliably. A small price to pay for a connected data-driven world.